Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to contact the support on the Kik website. So now, all you need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera or any web browser. After that, you will need to search for Kik.com. So we search for it, Kik.com, and now it will access us or to give us the access to the website. Now all you need to do is either to log in with your account, and if you do not have already an existent account, you will need just to click on sign up. So basically you can just sign up with your email and add the other informations, your personal informations, and then you will click on sign up, or you can just simply sign up with your Google or Apple account. In my case, I'm just going to sign up with your Google account, and I'm going to choose the account with whom I would sign up. I will add just a username, and I'm going to give some informations. I will just give random informations as follow, and you click on save, and then you accept the term of services and the policies of the website, and then you will be able to access to the website. And now all it remains to do is to follow these simple steps. And now all you need to do is to go to the bottom of the page. Either it was the home page or it was your profile. So basically you will find the help support. Otherwise you can just go to the settings or your channel profile or wherever, and then we need to go settings, go down here, and here we will find the help and support. And of course there are other supports that you can contact, like this email. You can just contact this email directly, and you will have tell them your problem or the thing that you want support on. So basically here we will find the support team. You click on here, and then you will click on contact the support team, and basically here we will find all the emails that you can contact for your problems. So if there is only general support concerning your profile names, how to edit things, etc., and this is the technical support to help you how to set up your stream if there is some technical problems, etc., and those are subscription inquiries for your subscriptions and for your billing problems and something like this. So basically all you need to do is to contact any email, and you will be able to contact the support. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.